Hey everyone, it's Cashew. Time for another edition of Fiery Fridays where I review hot sauces and spicy snacks. And I'm filming several of these in a row because the weather has not been cooperating with my schedule. When I've been available, it was raining, and when it was not raining, I was busy. So I have a couple of hours, I think, before the rain comes back. And I thought I would film some of these and share with you some of the hot sauces I've acquired while I'm waiting for the weather to break. And as you know, or maybe you don't know, in the Cincinnati area, there's a lot of chili culture, and we have a kind of a, I wouldn't say a big war, but there is a debate between who has the best chili, Skyline or Gold Star. And I would also throw into the mix Empress, Dixie, and Camp Washington chili. And one of those companies has a hot sauce that they make, and it's Skyline's. And I know I've tried this at the restaurant. I thought I would see how the bottled version tastes. Never had it before, so we'll be doing this together for the first time. This is distributed by Skyline in Fairfield, Ohio. This has 5 calories per teaspoon and 150 milligrams of sodium. The ingredients include distilled vinegar, water, red Tabasco peppers, salt, red jalapeno peppers, red cayenne peppers, natural flavor, modified cornstarch, guar gum, xanthan gum, and ascorbic acid. So it has a nice mix of different types of peppers, which you don't see in Louisiana style hot sauce like this. And maybe, I guess this would be considered a Louisiana style hot sauce. I know people have described it as that, and it does have that flavor to it. So let's see, it has like that Tabasco Louisiana hot sauce coloring. So let's see how it tastes. It has a restrictor, so that I'm not a big fan of, but that's okay. We can easily remove it. Let's see how it tastes. It has a nice flow. It's not overly gooey like some with xanthan gum. Cheers. That's good. It's salty, very salty, but it has excellent heat and a nice balanced flavor. I really love this. This is really good. Actually, it tastes a little bit hotter than the packets that I get. So let me try this again. This is a pleasant surprise. Immediately it has the heat. It's short-lived. I mainly feel it in the front of my mouth. It's very good. So let's see how it tastes on a chip. Pretty runny, so very good. It has a very nice balanced flavor. The heat's still there. Obviously, since I'm having a chip with salt on it, kicks up the sodium, so it's very salty. But this is very good. I mean, I'm very pleasantly surprised. And in the comments below, tell me, do you prefer Gold Star or Skyline? Or do you like a different type of chili, say Tex-Mex, or if you're in the Cincinnati area, do you like Camp Washington chili, Empress, Dixie? And let's see who wins the survey. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. And until next time, everyone, this is Cashew, signing off.